Morning. It's just a test. Good morning. It's Vijay here. Today is 24th Friday, January 2025. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre-Market Commentary. Today I'm in Chennai, so I don't have access to the computer. So I'm doing it a 3-minute short video. So yesterday the bulls fought quite smartly, I should say, especially the lever bulls. And while there is heavy selling at the upper end, but also at the lower end, bargain hunting is going on, clearly visible. While the global markets continue to grow and go up and create records, Indian markets seem to be struggling, especially with huge FII selling. Yesterday was also another day when more than 5,000 crores got sold by FIIs. Now we have a lot of local guys, both HNIs, PMSs, and even mutual funds, who are now joining the bandwagon and selling left, right, center, thinking the India growth story is over, and also creating some scare on the upcoming budget. Now, if you look at history, you will notice that the maximum pessimism is when the market bottoms out. Nobody can predict the exact bottom, but just look at what happened in January 2021 to understand what I'm saying. In January 2021, there was huge outcry against Nirmala Sitharaman, who was supposed to be presenting her second budget, and people had no hopes on her budget. Actually, third budget. They had no hopes on a budget, and people sold left, right, and center. And soon after the budget, when she did not do anything negative, she didn't do anything greatly positive, the markets took off like a rocket. And I think one can notice that Bank Nifty did more than 10% within a span of 10 days. And the budget days levels went on to be the bottom for a very long time. Similar thing happened in 2016 when the budget days lows on the day when FII sold heavily were the lows which we have not seen till today. So budget can change the direction of the market once in a while, not always, but once in a while it can. So sometimes it accentuates the trend. For instance, if you go into a downtrend during budget and if the budget is bad, then we will continue to be seeing selling and lower levels. So yesterday results of HUL were not so great. It opened much lower and then it took off. Now pharma is battling the probable ban on some drugs by the US. There is also a talk of the good part, I would say. There's also talk of some incentives coming in the budget. However, nobody knows that. But whatever it is, I go positive, and whatever you do, I hope it is successful today. Thank you for joining me.